Hey guys, so we saw really kind of three fantastic startups got to the pitch final. Over the course of the last few months, about 15,000 startups applied for our various startup programs. There were about 600 startups that have exhibited over the last 3 days. 100 of them partook in the startup competition. 20 took part in the semi-final last night. And then earlier today, 3 of the finalists pitched on stage. Everybody that was in the audience had the opportunity to cast their vote based on those 3 pitches. And as you can see, based on the audience participation, there was a very, very clear winner. That counts for 1 vote out of a total of 4 votes. There were 3 judges, 3 really fantastic VCs up on stage, led by our head judge, Karen, who's here to tell us exactly how things went down, tell us a little bit more about the 3 startups, and then announce the winner. Over to you.
So this was a close one, and I spent a lot of time looking at startups, and I must say we deliberated quite a bit on this one. The caliber of the founders and the market opportunities were really exceptional. And the fact that everyone was to do this in 3 minutes and effectively deliver their pitch was quite exceptional. So just in order of the way they presented, related to Celery, which was the logistics play, I think we wanted to see a little bit more from Jason on the operational edge. Why is this company going to win out over Amazon? And in particular, why will this company continue to have a margin advantage, or is cost going to be the true driver? All that being said, it's a huge market opportunity. I loved his answer about why they could potentially win versus Amazon, and so we're rooting for him and for Celery. Regarding Torch, they too are tackling an important problem. My fund focuses on the future of work, and so we see companies scaling quite quickly without the ability to train their employees effectively. So what Torch is doing around coaching is very important. We were hoping to hear a little bit more about why the matching would work between a coach and the mentee. It's such a personal relationship, and so understanding a little bit more about what gave them an advantage would have been helpful. And all that said, I think it's a competitive marketplace, so we'll see how they continue, but that's one we are eager to watch closely. And the final one, which is the crowd winner, Shelf Engine, we thought Stefan did a great job of presenting. One of the things that came out during Q&A was around the ability to potentially use the excess food for food banks, and we thought that's a really important point. That's something that can mobilize employees to want to work with companies, customers to want to work with the company, and so we thought he should have brought that forward a little bit more. And so, in conclusion, we like that company, but that actually wasn't the one that we chose. And the reason just was because we wanted to see more. He clearly had technical chops, but we wanted to see more understanding about what was going to make it truly special, and him potentially even leveraging the mission-driven aspect of it. So, without further ado, the big reveal on the winner is in the judges, and like I said, it was super close, and they're all remarkable founders. We gave the award to Torch. So congratulations to Torch. Yay, good.
We'll get a picture. Let's get a quick picture. Nope. Thanks a million, guys. Thanks to all the startups. Congratulations to Torch. Thank you, Karen. Thanks to all our judges. Well done. Congratulations.